The world of large language models, LLMs, is rapidly evolving, with new players and advancements emerging constantly. Two recent developments have captured the attention of AI enthusiasts: Deepseek R1 and Qwen 32B. In this video, we'll delve into these powerful models, exploring their capabilities, differences, and what they mean for the future of AI. Part 1. Understanding Large Language Models, LLMs. Before diving into the specifics of Deepseek R1 and Qwen 32B, let's establish a foundation by understanding what LLMs are. These models are designed to process and generate human-like text, enabling a wide range of applications from chatbots to content creation. We'll discuss the core technologies behind LLMs, such as transformer networks and deep learning. We'll explain how these models are trained on massive datasets and what makes them capable of generating coherent and contextually relevant text. We'll highlight the key applications of LLMs, showcasing their versatility and potential impact. Part 2. Introducing Deepseek R1. Deepseek R1 is a large language model developed by Deepseek AI. It's designed to excel in various natural language processing tasks with a focus on efficiency and performance. We'll discuss Deepseek AI's approach to developing R1, emphasizing their focus on optimizing performance. We will talk about the claims of its high performance and comparisons to other models. We will explain the importance of efficiency within the AI landscape. Part 3. Exploring Qwen 32B. Qwen 32B is another powerful LLM developed by Alibaba Cloud. It's designed to be a versatile and robust model, capable of handling a wide range of tasks and applications. We'll discuss Alibaba Cloud's approach to developing Qwen 32B, highlighting their focus on versatility and robustness. We will explain the significance of the 32B in its name, which refers to the model's parameters. We will discuss Alibaba's cloud-based approach. Part 4. Key differences and similarities. While both Deepseek R1 and Qwen 32B are powerful LLMs, they also have key differences and similarities. We'll compare and contrast these models, highlighting their strengths and weaknesses. We'll compare the model's architectures, training data, and performance benchmarks. We'll discuss the different applications and use cases for each model. We will explain the importance of open source and closed source models. Part 5. Performance benchmarks and evaluations. To assess the capabilities of Deepseek R1 and Qwen 32B, it's essential to examine their performance benchmarks and evaluations. We'll discuss the metrics used to evaluate LLMs and how these models fare in comparison to others. We'll discuss common benchmarks for evaluating LLMs, such as language understanding, reasoning, and generation. We'll present data and comparisons from reputable sources. We will explain the difficulties of creating accurate benchmarks. Part 6. Potential applications and use cases. Deepseek R1 and Qwen 32B have the potential to revolutionize various industries and applications. We'll explore some of the most promising use cases for these models. We'll discuss applications in areas such as customer service, content creation, education, and research. We'll provide real-world examples of how these models can be used to solve problems and improve efficiency. We will discuss the impact these models have on coding. Part 7. The importance of open source and accessibility. The availability of LLMs like Deepseek R1 and Qwen 32B is crucial for democratizing access to AI. Open source models empower developers and researchers to build innovative applications and contribute to the advancement of AI. We'll discuss the benefits of open source LLMs, such as transparency, collaboration, and customization. We'll highlight the role of cloud platforms in providing access to these models. We will explain how fine-tuning these models work. Part 8. Ethical considerations and responsible AI. As LLMs become more powerful, it's crucial to address the ethical considerations surrounding their development and use. We'll discuss the potential risks and challenges associated with these models. We'll discuss issues such as bias, misinformation, and the potential for misuse. We'll explore the importance of developing ethical guidelines and regulations for LLMs. We will discuss the importance of watermarking AI-generated content. Part 9. The future of LLMs and AI development. Deepseek R1 and Qwen 32B are just two examples of the rapid advancements in LLM technology. We'll discuss the future of LLMs and the broader AI landscape. We'll explore emerging trends in LLM research, such as multimodal models and reinforcement learning. We'll discuss the potential for LLMs to achieve even greater levels of intelligence and adaptability. We will discuss the future impact on society. Part 10. Conclusion. Deepseek R1 and Qwen 32B are significant milestones in the evolution of large language models. Their capabilities and accessibility are paving the way for a new era of AI-powered applications and innovations.